Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to discuss something about Greeks, right, that you may not be aware of or you may not be using it that well, right? Greeks are the foundation in option, but if you use it properly, and there is a feature in Robinhood that was not there before, so I want to discuss all about that, how you can use that to optimize your option trade. If you are interested guys, stick around, and with that, let's start. Hello guys, so as you can see from the title, right, the Greeks makes or breaks the option trade, and it's very important that you understand the Greeks because those are the foundation on how option price moves, right? So before I go to that feature, right, which Robinhood has recently added, I want to discuss first quickly about the Greeks, because until you understand the Greeks, I don't want to go into detail, but I definitely want to cover a basics of the Greeks, so that will set the foundation, and then I want to show you how in Robinhood you can actually use those Greeks to make more informed decision about your options. So okay, so I'm in my Robinhood account now, and let's say you want to buy a call. Okay, so you want to buy a call of this $200, right? So these are the Greeks that you see here, right? So I want to quickly touch on two Greeks which are very important. There are some others, but I just want to cover two of them. The first is delta. That is the basics of the basics for the Greeks, right? So what does this delta tell you, right? So look at the premium that you're getting. That's 147. I'm sorry, that's a premium is basically you are paying, right? So you're paying 147 here, right? So the total cost is 147. Now delta, what delta is telling you that for every dollar move in the stock, this is how much the profit is gonna increase. Okay, so let me move here, right? So the profit, that's how the profit is gonna move based on every dollar move. So let's say you move the stock moves from 200 to 201, your profit is gonna be adding up that $22 to your total profit. So that's the very simple definition of the delta. Now the second one is the theta, and theta is very important. For most of my trades are from option selling, so theta is very important. But to understand the theta, it's better you do the sell call, right, which is a covered call. So let's say you do a covered call of 205 here, right? So look at the Greeks of the theta. So theta is 20. That means every day that you hold this position, you're gonna be gaining $20, right? On the opposite side of the end, which is if there is a buyer of this, they're gonna lose this. So as an option seller, as you know, every day you hold this position, if the stock doesn't do anything, it is just stick at $200, then you're gonna be getting this $20 just by holding the position. That's why this is called theta decay, right? So every day you hold, you gain $20, and that's those are the two main Greeks that matters, right? So for a simple strategies like cash secured put or covered call, these are simple. You can see it here, right? You can directly see it here, but the way the new feature that's been launched by Robinhood is if there is a complex strategy, right? Like a iron condor. So it's quickly set up the iron condor, right? So that's basically you sell put for the next week. Let's say you want to do 190 here, and then you buy the put at 185, and then on the call side you sell a call at 200, and then you buy at 250. Okay, so sorry, 205, right? So this is gonna tell you, right, it's a short and condor. Okay, the graph would look something like this, right? So this is the graph of iron condor, and as you can see, you're gonna be profiting as long as the stock moves between these, right? And this is a pretty good strategy for if you have a small account. If you look at, right, you are getting basically $229 as a credit, and look at your max loss, right? It's just 250. So it's basically 50% chance that you're gonna be making this money, and your capital is very low, right? You're just putting $250 at risk. So for a $250, this is a very good strategy, and it is a safer way to do the option as well. It's just that when it comes to Greeks, you don't know how these prices are going to move, or how the Greeks are going to impact these price movements, right? And that is where this new feature comes in. So look at these data, and then where you can see that you go to the Robinhood Legend. Now, once you are in Robinhood Legend, you just have to get this option. That's I got from the widget, right? It's a simple widget as option chain. That's why I did. So once you get that, this is the options chain, right? So let's build that same thing what we did there, right? So what we did was iron condor. So that is the first leg is just select the put side. I'm just gonna do on the put side. We did, I believe, 185 and 180. So we did sell this one, we bought this one, and then on the call side, we sold, I believe, 200 strike. uh, yeah, we sold 200, and then we bought this one, right? So yeah, so this is as you can see, right, this is an iron condor. Now the good thing is the one that you are not seeing on the other view that you can see in Robinhood Legend is click on this simulated returns, right? Once you click on that, this nice graph that comes in, right? And look at here. So this is the portion that I was talking. You can actually see the overall Greeks for this iron condor, right? And there's a little this thing that you see here, right? So as you move, right, you can actually see as the time goes by how your profit and loss is gonna look here. Okay. Also, there is a this lever, which is the IV, right? So how the IV is gonna impact and how you can see all these Greeks changing, right? So you can actually see. So let's say you move from January 18th to January 19th, you can see that theta is increasing, right? If you look at this theta, as you go closer to the expiry date, the theta is keep gonna increasing, right? And at the end, it's gonna just merge to that same graph, right? So only you see this view, but as in this one, as you can see, you can actually see how the all the Greeks are playing a part in the options trading. This is a very powerful way to look at the options. You can actually see how things are making the price adjustment, right? How IV, if the IV tomorrow increases, right, how this gonna impact the prices, right? So as you can see, the prices are in this case not impacting much because you are in iron condor. But if you do this in a buy call, your IV is gonna your prices is gonna shoot up, right? On this side also, there's very useful. Most of these things you could see in the other view as well, but still here you can see all things together. What's your max loss, what's your max profit? So everything is gonna be basically in a complete view. So they are keep enhancing this Robinhood Legend, and this is a very good feature for the options trader. So that's what I wanted to cover. So definitely guys, use this feature. I'm sure this is gonna make your option trades more informed and more profitable. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you have any questions about this, any of the Greeks or anything related to options, right, just put your questions down in the comment below. I do read all of them. I do respond. So definitely use the comment section. Do like, subscribe, and share with your any of the friends or family who are who want to get into options trading, but they are afraid. Option trading is very simple. My goal is to make everyone educated about options trading and how simple it is and safe. Most of the people think that it's a risky kind of a strategy. It's pretty safe if you do it right, if you know what you're doing. So and definitely share the video with your friends and family. Okay, so I'll talk to you in my next video, guys. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.